What's going on, YouTube? Alright, so I've wound up in a bit of a pickle. Let's just say there's going to be predicaments where I may not actually have power. And yeah, I've got that UPS right there. However, you know, during extended periods, I got to thinking, you know, power outages and this, that, and the other thing. It's gotten me to realize, you know what, if it's an extended time, because the power company up here is kind of garbage as far as their customer service. There's always the problem that it's going to be more than a day. And it may not always be the case, but there's going to be quite often where it's going to be more than a day that the power is off. So, yeah, I can minimize my usage, but what if, say, I want to try and use that to run my fridge or my furnace, because I'm too broke to have a generator as a backup. Well, I came up with a wonderful idea. See, right, just... Oops. Right outside the window there, it sits my lawn tractor, which obviously it's got electric start, it's got a 12-volt battery in it, yada yada yada, and obviously it is capable of charging its own battery. I also have a power inverter that supports 300 watts. Now, granted, I'm not going to be able to run a whole lot off of that. However, I should be able to do something along the lines of plug my UPS into said inverter with obviously nothing plugged into the UPS to recharge the battery. Well, the problem is as you can see, it's sitting up on top of my tower, which is on my desk, and the wires all run down behind. And bam, I got a support wall on the back of the desk. Well, it's not really like all the way on the back. There's like 8 to 12 inches of space between that wall and, well, the actual wall. Well, this is going to be a redneck repair, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set the camera right here on this here tripod. So now, go ahead and let it focus. Don't mind the shoes that I never wear. And I'm going to go ahead and I am going to... I'm going to make a hole. Much bigger than that one. In this wall, kind of more over there-ish. Near where the actual outlet is. I'm going to do it in a very redneck fashion. And this is the tool for said redneck fashion. So, yeah, go ahead, sit back, and grab some popcorn, and enjoy my wonderful lack of sophistication when cutting through something wooden inside the house. Oops, need to go up a little higher. And there we go. I can't breathe. Whew. Carbon, what is it? Monoxide? Whew. Man, exhaust fumes. But there we go. Now I got perfectly good access to the outlet behind my desk. Yeah. Because, you know, redneck is the way to do things. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just felt like making a video about some ridiculousness that I was going to go ahead and do. So, figured I'd share the ride. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video now. I'm going to put the camera down and I'm going to go step outside and give me some fresh air, because enclosed space, only thing that is probably preventing me from dying already is that fan right there. Trying to suck some fresh air in here and that fan sucks. So, whew. Go find something more productive to watch. But hey, go ahead and hit that dislike button, hit that like button, get subscribed. I do stupid shit like this, you know, every so often. And feel free to laugh, make comments. I don't care. Have a good one, and I will see you in the next one.